All right, what's up? So today, what I want to share with you is a little tip from myself and Coach Alj. Coach Alj is the co-founder of San Jose Barbell and also happens to be a fairly strong deadlifter, uh, world champion.
World champion.
So world champion at the 148-pound weight class with a deadlift of six
6:30.
630.
Yeah.
Um, So there's a lot of things that we both, and we've been lifting together for a long time, and our idea, our philosophy is always about making things simpler, because and as we get more advanced, the more simple we keep things. And I think a lot of new people or people who think that, they're trying to be more advanced or
Yeah.
like they think they're advanced, they kind of get tripped up in like trying to get too fancy or complicated. So Alj has one awesome tip for you that will make quite a big impact.
So, like you said, a lot of people want to really speed through the deadlift, especially the deadlift. But with any lift that requires any grip, you want to choose what grip you want to stick with for a long period of time. Now, most beginners they start with the double overhand, right? So
so just so you know, if you don't know what that means, is that just means you grab it regular.
yeah,
So like if I have the bar here, I just grab it like that.
awesome. So we actually
So
have the
actually,
bar
why don't
here.
you why don't we take a look at what that actually looks
Yeah.
like?
So, people want to start deadlifting, they grab the bar as you would a normal object, right? With both with both palms facing you.
So
Boom.
look at the grip.
Double overhand, just like that. If you zoom in, should be right there. That's double overhand. That's what everyone knows. Now, that's great, but no matter who you are in any strength training journey, if you choose to stick with double overhand, you are going to have a limit because it's going to slip off your hands, okay? There's going to be amount of weight that's going to be your wall. So that will require you to train a different grip to evolve, okay? Now, at that stage, when you are stalled in your deadlift or when you have a good foundation in your deadlift strength already, you can choose two options. One is the traditional under over or mixed grip, which is one palm facing you and one palm facing up. So we'll go over that option first. So with that, I would tell you to choose your weak hand, whatever your weak hand is, your less dominant hand, whatever hand you don't write with. Weak hand, palm face up, and then your strong hand, palm face you. So I'm left-handed, so this would be my mixed grip. Okay? This is mixed grip. Weak hand again, palm face up. Dominant hand, palm face you.
Oh, I mean, it's my strong hand.
So,
If you don't know what that is, you know what that is?
I don't know what that is. What is
I'm gonna use my strong hand.
it? That
You know?
sounds like
Who wants some cake?
the,
I see you.
it's
I'm
like
the
a scary
first.
movie.
Yeah, that's scary. Man. There you go. Bonus points.
All right, so that is the traditional over-under mixed grip. Now you have another option as well, which is called the double overhand, again, with a hook grip. So with a hook grip, I'm going to turn the other way so you can see what this is and zoom in, is with a hook grip, double overhand, palms face you, but now you're going to choose to wrap your thumb either nail right on your thumbnail or a full grip around your thumb knuckle, okay? Those are your two options. I prefer just the nail, which will reinforce this grip. Now, again, when you come to a crossroads with building a foundational or building a foundation of strength with the deadlift, you're gonna have to choose either the mixed grip or the double overhand hook grip. You're gonna have to. Otherwise, you're gonna plateau and you will not make any more progress. So, but the advice that I give you, once you choose either mixed grip or double overhand hook grip, stick with that for as long as possible. And that's what will carry over into the biggest deadlift number you'll ever get in your life.
And that's very important. So basically, what Alj said is like your legs and your body can move way more weight than what your grip can hold on to. So with a regular grip. So we want to take the grip out of the equation
Yep.
by doing the mix, because this makes it super secure. Like it's not going to go anywhere because we're applying force in two directions. Or using the hook grip, which is what I use, uh, because when you have your, like Alj said, if you have your fingers wrapped around your thumb like this bar is not going anywhere, and it's not dependent on my forearm strength to hold it. And also, as a side note, this is very important, the hook grip is more badass. So just in case you were wondering, which is very important for gains. So like last night we had, and we see this all the time, people who've been deadlifting, like they're doing good, their form's good, and then they're kind of struggling, and as a coach, you look at them and you're like, I know you can lift more than that.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
the first place that we typically go to is like, oh, what does their grip look like? And so last night we had one of our students here at San Jose Barbell. She's super strong. She's been doing great. Her deadlift looks great. And I was watching her deadlift, and I saw right off the bat, I was like, this is going to be fun, because once I switch her to either a mix or a hook, I know what she's going to say. Oh, that felt super light, and I could add like 50 pounds, which is exactly what she said
Yes.
and did. So she chose. I was influencing her a little bit. I was like, hook grip is more badass. So she did it, and she was like, holy shit! It blew her mind.
Yeah.
So just something to keep in mind. Super simple, and just always remember, like, as you go on in your career as a lifter and as a person who wants to be healthy and strong, it's going to come down to continue to go into the fundamentals and the basics, not adding fancy shit. So,
Yep. Exactly.
there you have it. And if that was helpful, make sure you like and comment, and do whatever things that you want to do, share it, and see you next time.